How to create your own WhatsApp link. Now, maybe you want to create your own WhatsApp link for any of the reasons that you might have. It's rather quite simple, and we will explore the ways on how we can do that in today's video. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end, and also make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Creating our own WhatsApp link is actually quite simple. Now, first of all, previously we wouldn't be able to do this. But if it's not the link and you just want to have a QR code, you can do so within WhatsApp itself. Open WhatsApp, tap the three dots icon, go to settings, tap on your profile, and there you can see the QR code icon. So people can basically scan this QR code and be able to contact you if that is what you're looking for, right? Now, however, if you want to create a link itself, then WhatsApp itself does not give us the option to create a link. So instead, we can open up our browser, then type in WA.link on Google Chrome. Over there, you can see you'll come to this website, which is create.wa.link. This is one of the most popular websites for creating WhatsApp links. Now from here, you can go ahead and tap on create a free WhatsApp link. Then simply type in your phone number. So once you go ahead and then type in your phone number right here, what happens is that you can add a custom message, tap on generate my WhatsApp link. It will generate a certain link for you. And when people click on that link, which is this link right here, they will be able to contact you to your messaging app. This is a direct way on how you can create a WhatsApp link. But if it's just a QR code, you don't have to go through this process. You can directly create a QR code from WhatsApp. I hope the video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.